That summer is in full swing and being copped up at your summer job is starting to take its toll. I'm sure you and your bros are planning to trips to the beach for a day, J or full blown vacation. But if you are tied to your usually sandbox, consider traveling to a new beach this summer. One where girls' picnics are tiny and more than willing to come off here than are the top 5 beaches across the country to hook up with hot chicks this summer. Number 5, Lake Michigan, Chicago. The windy city is colder than a which is state for 3/4 of the year. When warm temperatures finally hit the shores of Lake Michigan, cute pick 10 girls from the mid strip into bikinis faster than you can scarf down a Vienna beef dog. Summertime in Chi-town is a wonderful thing, especially because of the chill beach seeing the waterfront side of Lakeshore Drive. Yes, drinking is frowned upon since it's a public park, but the further north you go from the Loop and Lincoln Park, the cooler lifeguards and beach patrol are with turning a blind eye to your sipping Bible beers. Number 4, Ocean City. Definitely not the nicest beach on the list. Actually, I'm pretty comfortable in saying this beach is for the most part a dump. But it is a great time when it's somewhat run down with a college crowd of hot 18 to 22-year-old girls who think summer vacation at Ocean City is the perfect occasion to totally act like slut. Number 3, San Pedro Island, Texas. Home to the largest spring break party in the nation, San Pedro Island seems to be where it's at for a great time on Texas beach no matter what time of year. That is if of course if you can handle the Texas summer heat and also hot girls. Number 2, Divai Beach. Divai Beach is totally meat market, great nightlife with some great clubs, bars and sexiest and hottest girls. Goes perfect with flocks of girls who are just looking to suck down a foot long. Probably the easiest place on this list to have day sex. But if you are not comfortable in day, you can also do it in night. Number 1, South Beach, Miami. Miami is already known for his hottest and fucking hot girls. Miami having some of the hottest women on the planet. And the girls that frequent South Beach are just as hot, wearing even less clothing, known for their string bikinis and topless sunbathing. The girls of South Beach are the hottest you will find anywhere in the states. So guys, please hit the like button and share this video with your girlfriend and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.